Say flaxen were her ringlets, her eyebrows of a darker hue, bewitching me or arching to a laughing green or bonny blue. Her smiling, say whiling, what make a wretch forget his woe? What pleasure, what treasure, unto those rosy lips to grow? Such was my Glory's bonny face, when first a bonny face I saw. And my Glory's dearest charm, she says she knows me best of all. Like harmony, her motion, her pretty ankle is a spy, betraying fair proportion. What make a saint forget the sky? See warming, see charming, her faultless form and graceful air, ilk feature, old nature declared that she could deign a mere. Hers are the willing chains, O love, by conquering beauty's sovereign law. And I, my Glory's dearest charm, she says she knows me best of all. Let others love the city and gaudy show at sunny noon. Give me the lonely valley, the dewy eve and rising moon, fair beaming and streaming her silver light. The boughs are mine, while falling, recalling, the amorous thrush concludes his song. The dearest Glory's wilt thou row by wimpling burn and leafy shore, and hear my vows of truth and love, and say thou knows me best of all.